Good morning. This here is our third flock. From our first chickens that we got. Our other ones have graduated into the chicken tractor. This time around we got about 19 more. Our big girls have graduated into their winter coop. During the summer we usually do the rotational grazing method where I move my poultry netting around every day, and it has a chicken tractor that I made out of a motorcycle trailer. So right now they are ready to go out into their little pasture for the day. Look, I think they're ready. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, Mr. Moto. Alright, let's get these guys going. This is their winter coop. Got some cleaning to do today. Gotta add some hay to their nesting boxes here. Got 4 more here, a couple more there that they turned around. See you guys. And got a lot more space in their winter coop. Got about 6 square feet per chicken here. This is the door I need to make an entrance in from the inside, so I have to go on the outside to unlock it. Otherwise, the fresh manure from the barn, they get to forage around here all day. During the winter, I'm going to be switching paddocks like this one here around every about 10 days. Next paddock is going to be over there in our backyard. First paddock goes over there where the chicken tractor is. Our first batch of eggs that we hatched from them has graduated into the chicken tractor, which I will show you here in a minute. For the chicken feed, I did 3 scoops of the egg layer pellets, 1 scoop of sunflower seeds, someone's excited for their feed. Come on, guys. I try to spread it around for them so they're not all bunched up together, but only works so much when they're all out. Definitely going to be doing this before I let them outside. But they're loving it. And this is where our teenagers graduated. They are now in here. And water. Got a little raised bed they can sleep in all together, huddle up. Oh, flufferonis. Until springtime, they're going to be in here. And I think I'm going to move this thing around about every couple weeks. I just added some bark chips in here for them, just to give a little bit more carbon, because in about a week they tore up all the grass. This was all grassy, they completely tore it apart. I did kind of makeshift a little lake for them that heats up the metal inside. And then Top it off with some cayenne pepper.